Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2020 Grand Design Solitude. I'm not sure what the model number is because they removed it from the door area, but the guys are out here doing some slide out work on the bedroom slide out. I guess there was some issues with the Swintex system, something to do with possibly like the V-rollers or whatever. We're still finding out more, but I guess the owners put in a pretty heavy mattress. So if you're doing that, make sure that that's going to cause some issues. But what I really wanted to talk about was this. So the owner came in to do a Roadmaster Comfort Ride kit, and somebody had took some tubing and welded that tube onto the hangers, right? And then basically to try to lift the coach. So as you can see, instead of removing the hanger, the V braces and the support plate, and then cutting those completely off and taking this bar and raising it all the way up, they just sleeved it with the tube, welded it all up, and then they cut a hanger down here and put a hanger in. So the issue is now the suspension, when it's pivoting and it's doing its movement, it's now impacting the spring. As you can see those marks, it's impacting the spring on top or on the bottom of that steel tube. So we advised them that we couldn't, that we could cut it all off and start over fresh, but if we put another tube in to raise it, that we didn't want to exceed a certain height, so in order for them to gain the lift on the coach. So we've actually deferred them to go to a company in Stockton called Dentoni's, who's a frame shop, and then they can build them an actual square frame tube that goes all the way across. Because now that you've lifted this up here like this, when you lift it up, there's now this thing is got all this extra movement, and so you take a major risk of it ripping or damaging all this stuff. So be sure if you're going to attempt to do this yourself, or hey, I'm a welder, or hey, I got a friend, or any of that kind of stuff. It's not that it's not working or not doing its thing, but obviously it's not correct. And if we showed anybody this, like the engineering at Grand Design or anybody else, or the frame companies or anything, they put a cross brace in between the eye, but that's just not enough strength. They've totally took a risk of it damaging everything over time. So, and then the springs look a little bit flat. As you can see back there on that axle, they look flat because of the weight. You can actually see the arch is gone. The front one's pretty much gone as well. So they definitely need new springs. They need a new suspension kit. All this stuff needs to get removed and be corrected properly. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. If this unit returns in the future, we'll let you know what happens. Thanks again for watching.